Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I'm going to give you a tour here at Sapphire Falls, actually accessibility room. Come on in, check it out. This is room 2788. Let's go ahead and enter in. Show you some of the features here. I got Roberta giving me a hand on it. Please take a moment, subscribe. If you haven't yet, you walk in, you got a full-length mirror. You also have this nice hard floor here. I've stayed here before. I don't remember that in the other rooms. Maybe if you're using a chair. We checked in. This is the room they gave us, so we're going to use the room. I kind of felt like maybe they should keep this room for people that might really need it. We don't need an accessibility room. We didn't know.
We are not picky about it.
But, we just said, okay, we didn't even know till we got it up here. But anyway, so you can see the safe is much lower, so you can have access to that if you're in a chair. All the hangers are lower. Everything is a little bit easier to get to. You got a couple lights there up in the ceiling. And then, of course, the bathroom, very accessible. You got a rack here for your towels. And then this sink is made so that if you are in a chair, you can wheel right up to it and reach it. You got all your handles and everything here. Couple options with the shower heads.
Also Headphone.
Comes with some of the amenities. Basically, you're getting everything you would get in a regular room. It's just more accessible.
Yeah.
And I like the mirror. The mirror is beautiful. It's got a nice different colors in it. It's got light up, makeup
shower,
mirror.
Also, it's lower.
Yes. So everything is much more accessible, basically, is what it comes down to. But the room overall is in nice condition.
Yes.
I really like it. We're going to continue on into the other area of the room here. You can see here, you might not be able to tell on the camera, but the beds are much, much lower in this room. So that if you need that accessibility, it's easy to get to. And then in the middle of the beds, I have a little switch. Oh, okay.
Yeah, for that.
Again, it's very convenient if needed. You also have these buttons here. These control all the drapery. Okay. So I'm going to just turn my camera towards the drapes, and then Roberta can say, she can hit a couple of the buttons just to give you an idea of the different features. So you can close them, open them. Very cool.
You can stop too.
Yeah. So, very cool. And then this is a view of the park. So you have a park view, just to kind of show you here. You can look out there. That's Islands of Adventure right there. There's the road is straight down there as well. You got a big floor lamp right here. You got a couple sconce lights. But outlets, let's have a look. Just looks like there's this one outlet over here, but it does have the USBs. Oh, there is actually another outlet there where the clock is plugged in. So there's one other outlet. Kind of strange to see a clock in a room. You usually do not see that now. And that looks like you could put an Apple product in there. Okay, coming around, you got a desk.
Yeah.
With the chair.
Small.
You got a couple bottles of water. Now there's a charge. Those are $8. So don't open those unless you want to be charged $8. Some of the different dining options. It is Halloween Horror Nights. That's why we are staying over tonight, actually. Little paintings. You got another lamp. You got your coffee service.
And over here is the fridge.
Got your fridge. Small fridge.
Yeah.
And then here, Roberta, we have some slide-out drawers.
Yeah, drawers.
You got your nice big TV. And, of course, you have your AC. Your tour of an accessible room here, Sapphire Falls, 2 Queens. And at the end of this video, we're actually going to do a review of the room. We'll be checking out in 2 seconds vlog time. All right, guys, and just like that, vlog time 2 seconds. We're right back here checking out. Now, just to be clear, we just stayed here for one night to go to Halloween Horror Nights. So we barely were at this resort yesterday. Matter of fact, after we finished the room review, we took off, got Jake, our son. It was his birthday. He wanted to go to school on his birthday. But anyway, we came back and we pretty much immediately went to the park. So we did not get back. The point I'm making is we got back to the room at about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. The first thing there was an issue, let me just show you. The AC, the fan up here. So right now we kind of just put it up, but this was very loud. And at 3 o'clock in the morning, we did not want to have to call people and then wait and have them come up here. That was a serious issue with this AC in this room. It was loud enough that I had to wear earplugs, which I always bring earplugs when I travel just because of things like that. I want to get Roberta and Jake's opinion on it, though. Roberta, what'd you think of... I mean, that was my main thing with the room. I have a couple other things I'll share quick, but it's important for us, again, on Medling World, please take a moment to subscribe. Not just showing you what the room is, but reviewing the room. How did it function? How was your stay?
Yeah, it was... That was noisy. Besides that, I crashed because I was exhausted, but we didn't need accessibility room, but we got it. The room, it's more spacious. The bathroom is more spacious because of that. But it's hard. It's. I like the shower. The shower was fine. The bed was good. I didn't care much for the pillows, but everything else was alright. But I crashed. I was so tired last night. I crashed it.
Yeah, we're running on about 4 hours sleep right now.
Not too many outlets. That's the thing.
Yes.
Well. We had a hard time with outlets.
Well, we do. We're editing videos and trying to charge phones.
Yeah. So besides that,
there's Junior over there.
Yeah. So, but that's pretty much it. I didn't hear anything else. Then the AC for me was an issue.
Yeah, that was the main issue.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to just point that out first right away. That was one of the most negative issues. But I do agree with Berta. Everything else, besides I could hear in the morning, it's how I woke up, was even with the earplugs, the staff was very loud out in the hallway. And, you know, I just wanted to let you know, we don't hold back on Medling World. We just tell you the way it is. Jake, what did you think? I know you were exhausted by the time we got back.
Well, I just laid down in bed and basically fell asleep immediately. I was so tired.
Yeah.
But there is no ceiling fan.
Yeah.
Jake always likes to point that out.
Yeah.
And the AC was pretty loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you said right when we got back, Dad, that is wicked loud. And I said, you're so tired, it's not going to affect you. And you fell asleep in about 2 seconds.
Yeah.
But guys, that's it. I mean, not much more to say. We didn't really spend a whole lot of time inside the room or even at the resort. If you watched our resort vlog, you can see us very quickly. But we have a very immersive vlog from this resort. We have stayed here before, and we have one, I mean, literally from check-in, 2 days of, you know, the whole check-in day and then the check-out day. We really get in a lot of detail. So the last one we made, our resort stay, was kind of a condensed, just quickly showing some of the points that are important. So please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World, and check out the full resort. That one was from August 2024. And nothing's really changed at this resort since then. So, guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!